Today, I want to talk about a topic that's going to skyrocket your affiliate marketing business to the next level. Well, that's right. I'm going to talk about a secret weapon that can supercharge your affiliate marketing success: email marketing. Now, you might be wondering, why is email so crucial for affiliate marketing? Well, buckle up, because in this video, you are going to uncover the incredible power of email marketing and how it can help you to smash your affiliate marketing goals. Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach, and let's jump in. So, before I tell you why email marketing, I'll tell you the ROI that email marketing has. According to studies by Oberlo and HubSpot, email marketing has an ROI of 42x. That's like investing 1 rupee and earning 43 rupees. Isn't this powerful? Now, I think this stat is enough to tell you the power of email marketing. So, before before we know the reasons why email marketing is crucial, let me tell you what email marketing is. In simple words, email marketing is the use of emails to communicate with your audience or email subscribers. Now, when you send emails, you send with a specific business goal in mind. For example, you can send an email to sell a product, to maybe sell your ebook, to sell a service, and so on. Now, every super affiliate, whoever earns 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh per month, knows the importance of email marketing, and they utilize it to the fullest to grow their commissions and revenue. Okay. Now, you can send emails for many reasons, one of which could be to educate your existing audience. Since I've said, as an affiliate marketer, your goal should be to educate your audience, you can send emails to educate your audience about your niche. Okay. And through email marketing, you can attract potential customers through the use of a lead magnet. Now, what is a lead magnet? In simple words, a lead magnet is a valuable resource that you give away for free. Now, you may have seen on many websites a free PDF, a free ebook, a free mini course, a free video, a free consultation call, and so on. So those are the examples of lead magnets. Now, I hope you know what email marketing is and why you need it for the growth of your business. Now, I'll tell you why email marketing is important. So, according to my experience, email marketing is crucial for 5 reasons. Number 1, you can tell your audience about your products. So, once you have an audience, let's say you give away a free ebook or a free PDF, people share their emails, and once you have their emails, you can send them email. Once you have their email addresses, you can send emails telling them about your products, your services, your community, and so on. Okay. How I usually structure my email marketing campaigns is: first, I welcome them to my community as soon as they sign up. Number 2, I tell them why I started this community. Number 3, I tell them what is in it for them. And from the 4th email onwards, I tell them about the products and services that I promote. For example, if I'm sharing an email marketing platform, I'll tell them what email marketing is in the first email. In the second email, I will tell them what are the pros and cons of email marketing. Then I will tell them how they can utilize email marketing for the growth of their business. Then I will share probably an email marketing platform that I'm an affiliate of. Okay. Along with it, I'll also share the case studies of people who use that particular email marketing tool and got tremendous results. Okay. So when you structure your email marketing campaigns in such a way, your audience thinks, you know what? I know what this product is. What are the pros and cons? What it does? People who have used got results. So let me give it a shot. So through this, you can no wonder email marketing has a 42x ROI. So you can use it for the tremendous growth of your business. Okay. The second reason why email marketing is important is because you save a lot of money. According to my experience, when you run ads, you'll have to spend at least 500 rupees, 600 rupees, and so on. But with email marketing, especially the tool that I use, you have to spend only $9. That's it. $9 every month. I spend $9 every month to run email marketing campaigns, and that is giving me an ROI of about 33x. So you can save a lot of money. This is actually way better than spending on ads, but you need to have an email list to utilize the power of email marketing. Okay, but email marketing will save you a lot of time. Now, the third reason why email marketing is important is you can automate emails. Now, email marketing tool that I use, MoveSend, gives you the ability, gives you the power to automate emails. And what do I mean by automation? For example, you create an email chain of, let's say, 5 emails, 10 emails, 15 emails. I for once have an email sequence of 275 emails. So once you sign up to my email list, you'll get emails for the entire year. So how you can do is create an email chain first, link it to a form, and when people fill up the form, the email automation gets triggered, and they will get emails for as long as you have set. Okay. Now, how automation helps you is, once you automate emails, you don't have to manually send an email every day. You set the email chain once, and once people submit the form, they'll get emails for as long as you have set it. Okay, I've set an email automation sequence of 275 emails with 1 or 2 days in between. So once you sign up, you'll get an email, you'll get emails from me for an entire year. But if you think about it, you'll say, this person sends me an email every day or every 2 days, but I've set the automation I've set the automation already, and when you get an email, I'll probably be chilling out with my family. Okay, so that's the power of automation. Set once and forget. The fourth benefit of email marketing is people actually open your emails. According to studies, people open emails. There are many studies which say, if you publish a particular thing on your Facebook group, I think only 1 or 2% people see it. But people, when you send them an email, they actually open and read your emails. This also means when people open your emails, they can click purchase your product, or they can click buy your ebook, and then you can make commissions. And the fifth and the most striking fact about email marketing is it increases brand awareness. Many affiliate marketers believe social media platforms are best to boost their brand awareness. Although social media plays a vital role, I'll say social media is not the best method. Look, I feel that when you have someone's email address, they have shown interest in your business. Okay, they have shown interest, that's why they have shared their email, right? So once they share their email, you can tell them about your brand, what you do, the services that you offer, and so on. And also keep in mind that when you send emails, do not sell in every email. What I've observed is many companies sell in every email and completely turn a blind eye to my challenges, desires, and aspirations. So when you sell in every email, people get bored, they get frustrated. They consider you as a salesperson, and after some time they'll start to hate you and unsubscribe. So do not sell in every email. Share your backstory, tell about your brand, educate them, and in every 4 to 5 emails, you can pitch your product. Okay, so those were the 5 reasons why email marketing is important. Now, I will share facts and stats about email marketing that will make you believe that email marketing is really, really powerful. The first stat is there are 7 billion email accounts. How much? 7 billion. Yes, billion with a B. Number 2, 3 million emails are sent every second. So I've been recording this video for about 10 minutes, and until now, I think 180 million messages or 1.8 billion messages would have been sent. The third stat is there are 3 times more email accounts than Facebook and Twitter combined. So if you take the total number of Facebook and Twitter accounts, there are thrice as many email accounts. Now, the fourth stat about email marketing is the average CTR of an email marketing campaign is 3%, whereas that of a tweet is just 0.5%. This means if you send your email to, let's say, 1000 people and you send a tweet to 1000 people, 30 people will click your email and only 5 will open or engage with your tweet. And the fifth stat about email marketing is, according to a survey conducted by Monitat, 42.2% of people buy via email as compared to 2.49% from search engines and only 0.59% from social media. So those were the top 5 stats about email marketing. Now, if this video has provided you with value, I'd like to give you a free gift. A few months ago, I launched my Affiliate Mastery Foundation membership, in which you will have access to one course, weekly inner circle calls with my community, weekly hackathons where I'll hold your hand and walk you to your goals, access to my elite community of affiliate marketers where affiliate marketers like you and me interact, help each other solve problems and discuss ideas. Along with it, you'll have one-on-one coaching with me where I'll ask you some questions, you'll ask me some questions, I'll clear your doubts, and then I'll give you a roadmap. The course that I'm talking about will contain 3 secrets that I followed and earned $3,328 in just 17 weeks, and since then my income has not dropped. Usually the price of the Affiliate Mastery Foundation membership is 4,999 rupees, but since I'm on a mission to help 10,000 people live a life of financial independence, I'm giving my Affiliate Mastery Foundation membership for absolutely free. So if you want to join my community, I've placed the link in the description box or in the comments box. Click the link, enroll now and start learning right away. So that's about this video. In this video, I shared what email marketing is, why it is crucial, and I also shared some stats related to email marketing. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please like, share, comment, and stay in touch for more videos related to affiliate marketing. Cheers.